Hi everyone. Hi. Ooh, I almost wanted to say good morning, but it's good evening. My son is sleeping just next door, just behind you. So I kind of need to be a little bit more quiet. Normally I don't paint in the evening, only in the mornings. But today Wouter is at work and I felt like, yeah, I want to paint. I've been looking at all the sales I made last year and the year before with my prints and with my artworks. And normally I just paint for fun and I will be painting. Well, it is. I'm a full time artist, so it is my living. But I analyzed what you guys love and what fits your home. So I feel like making new prints, making new artwork specific for prints in the next couple of weeks. And that is because I want to launch canvas prints as well. So today we will be starting with one of my most popular bases, and that is titanium white with just a couple of drops of Payne spray. So let's get started with that. Oh, wet the canvas first, yeah. That's some white. And a couple of drops of Payne spray. Well, that's a little bit more than a couple of drops, so maybe I will need to add a little bit more white. No, this is the right color. Let's wet it more. No, you know what? It can have a little bit more white. Because, you know, acrylics, they do dry darker. Alright, this is the perfect base. What I will do now is mix some paint spray with a little bit of carbon black and then create some first brush stroke. I'm a little bit nervous if my son will wake up. It's okay if he wakes up, but you know, I hope it's not because of me. That's why I never paint in the evenings. Let's start here. It's quite lovely. This part a little lighter up here. Now I can go over this again. So far, this does look lovely, doesn't it? It looks cool. But I will be working with more colors. Don't worry. I want to start here with a paint spray, just a paint spray, and then later I will mix more colors, real colors. Well, real colors, like more vibrant colors, I mean. Let's put some white up here. It's beautiful. Blend it in just a little more. Well, there's not a lot left of this, but that's okay. Do want to make this one a little bit more abstract than I do normally. So let's mix some colors. So let's go with some permanent violet and some Prussian blue together. It will make like this gorgeous, vibrant indigo color. That's lovely. I love that. I can blend this in still, or do I love this line? I kind of love this line. Just bringing this there. And then now with it's my son. I think we're good. Okay, let's blend this in. Really love this. Not so much this, but I can always make the background color and that this is just that line. That looks gorgeous, this color. Let's dip my brush again in these colors. One up here. So fun because of this pink. Love that. Just blending it in with my hands. That's also a method. Let's make one up here. Do I want to use the same colors? Let's just do it. Let's bring out this brush. That's better. Now that line connects here. But I did want to use other colors in this painting too. Quinacridone, Ace of Gold, Permanent Violet, maybe just a little bit of yellow. Yeah. That's lovely. I like that, but I don't like this up here. This leaf, the first leaf of the flower, that one was the best. Definitely. This one I will fix when it's dry. Love the design, but do we need some more color up here now? Or is it just enough up there? And is this enough? That's the question. You know, I've just had this one on the ground so I could see it better. And I think it's just lovely. It's super neat. This will make an amazing print. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased. Let's keep it like this. I'll be back.